Hey guys, I'm back with yet another FabFitFun video. This time it is my Customize With Me video for the Winter 2023 FabFitFun selections. So if you want to check out all the items that I currently have picked for my customization options and why, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm a full-time working mom, and in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my videos linked below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. Okay guys, so if you are watching this video, you probably are a FabFitFun lover like I am. In case you're not though, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It's the only subscription service I'm a part of. And you get full-size products for really heavily discounted prices. You also have opportunities throughout the year for other sales, including add-on sales where you can get some extra items at discounted prices, and other specialty sales throughout the year as well. Just to let you guys know that this video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. I have just been a loyal subscriber and member for many years now. I purchased all of these items on my own, so hopefully in that way I can give you a very unbiased opinion about all of the products that I receive and also the ones that I have my eye on. So I hope that's helpful to you guys as you make your own selections as well. So if by chance you are new to FabFitFun and want to check out the subscription service for yourself, definitely consider using my referral link in the description box down below, because when you sign up with that referral link, you will save a little bit of money for your purchase as well. Alright guys, so I'm going to jump into the selections that I'm picking to customize for this season's box. And if you are an annual member, your opportunity to customize your box is currently open but will close soon. So again, check the dates down below. If you are not an annual member, no worries, because your opportunity to add add-ons to your box and customize your choices comes up in just a little bit. So stay tuned and make sure you hit those dates as well. If you are an annual member like I am, as you will see, you can customize pretty close to your entire box. So we have a lot of choices to run through today. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull up pictures that I always like to do on the side here so that I can show you the items that I talk about. And then I'll also let you know why I picked the items that I did and if I have anything to say about some of the other options as well, because oftentimes some of these products do repeat season to season. I'm just going to move on the side here just to give a little bit extra room for the pictures that I want to show you guys. Alright, so customization choice 1 we have here, and this time I will say customization choice 1 rocked it. I loved so many of these items, and I don't tend to like so many items in customization 1 these days. But for this season, there are so many I could have selected from. I tried to limit it to just 3, as you will see, but there are so many beautiful pieces. So the first that I almost selected is this Haps votive set. They've collaborated with this brand before where you get a reusable vessel and then you change out the refills. This set was just beautiful. I really love candles and was very tempted to get this, but I had to try to limit myself because I had some other ones I like slightly more. But that's a great option if you like candles like I do. They had the splendid knit robe in different sizes you can see here, which is just beautiful as well. I love the colorway. It looks like it's a velour type of fabrication. I don't tend to wear robes that often, so I pass on this, but that's a gorgeous choice. There's this Macy Blackwell and Short Stories collab tiered appetizer tray. This is another one that I almost kept in my cart just because I thought it was really simple but yet functional and beautiful for your kitchen countertop. But I had to force myself to pass on it, but I think that's a great choice. Another great choice is this Free People Fringe throw blanket. Look at those beautiful colors. I was so tempted by this. I love Free People products, but I love my Barefoot Dreams blankets, I'm not gonna lie, so I had to force myself to pass again, but that's a gorgeous one. There's a Rebecca Minkoff quilted studded crossbody. Gorgeous as well. I love bags, as you all probably know if you watch me on this channel, but you know, I cannot bring myself to get another crossbody bag, so I had to pass. The first item I actually did select finally is this gorgeous, beautiful bag. It's from Amber Seats. It's a Stella crystal bag. So I've really been more into crystal bags, and I don't go out a lot, honestly, to nice events, but occasionally I do, and I just really love bringing beautiful evening bags just for something different. And I really love this crystal look. So I'm gonna pick this up and try it out and see if I like it. There's a Fenty Skin Watcha Tone Dark Spot Serum. I could obviously use this because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, but I decided to pass just because I like some of the other products better. The next item that I did select for an extra $16 upcharge is this LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've gone through several different bottles of this. I love it. I currently am stocked up on the same marine cream but with SPF in it, and I don't believe you're supposed to be using SPF products at night when you go to bed. So my idea is I will go back to this original cream at night when I'm sleeping, and then during daytime I use the SPF version. So I definitely had to pick this up. This is a great value for a $16 upcharge. There's the Laneige Water Bank Serum. Love Laneige products, another great one to consider if you're looking for a serum. And then the third product that I did select is from Commodity. It's the Milk Expressive Fragrance. In a previous box, you'll probably remember, they offered the Commodity Gold fragrance, which I picked up. I love it. I think it's great quality. It smells really pretty. So I want to try this out. I think it's something that I probably will like. So I decided to add that as well. And again, for $16, I think it's a great deal. And then they do offer this insert name here, insert waves here. I think this is a curler. Really unique design, which is pretty, but I decided to pass. There's this squalene and vitamin C rose oil that's offered, which also looks really pretty. And at least at the time that I made my selections, there's this mystery choice option, which I never go for, but I'm always curious. Keep your comments coming. I always say this, but I really am curious about what types of items you get if you select this choice. I will also say as a disclaimer, throughout the time the sale is open, these options for every customization window just changes. It depends on if things sell out or not. So I'm only showing the items that are currently available at the time that I made my selections, but sometimes they vary. So definitely keep checking back if you have your eye on something that initially gets sold out. Oftentimes it'll pop up as available later on in the sale. Okay, so customization one, amazing. I could have probably picked 6 items and been super happy, but I had to just really limit it to the ones I really wanted. All right, so for customization selections number 2, here is what offered this season. So the first is this beautiful pair of glass candlestick holders. This is really gorgeous, but I live with 4 little kids. This is not going to survive in my house, so I'm going to pass on this, but totally gorgeous candlestick holders. And then there's this LMS Peptide Eye Cream. As I mentioned, I love LMS collagen cream. I haven't tried the eye cream. I'm probably going to pass just because I'm trying to limit my selections here, but that's a really great option. There's this fun Suzy Cakes cake stand. I love Suzy Cakes. I don't know where Suzy Cakes are offered across the country, but they have one here and just, I love it. So this is a really cute cake stand from them. I don't bake, honestly, so I'm going to pass on this, but that's a really cute option. The item that I did select is from Ana Luisa. It's this mini earrings in gold tone, as you can see here. This is really beautiful. I really wanted to try some Ana Luisa jewelry. I've heard about this line for a while and just haven't splurged. So I was excited this was offered, so I'm definitely going to pick that one up. They also have this set of cocktail glasses, which are really pretty. They have this Olaplex Nourishing Hair Serum, and I have a lot of Olaplex products. I don't think I've tried the serum before, but that's a great one. And then there's this another item from the Short Stories Macy Blackwell collab with gold cheese knives, which are really elegant. And at least at the time that I made my selections, the mystery choice also is still available here. And then what sold out super quickly, but here's one example of, are the NARS Air Matte Lip Color. This one was still available, but a bunch of other shades have already sold out, but no doubt they're gonna slowly start becoming available as we get closer to the end of the sale, so keep your eye out for these if you wanted to pick some of these up. So for customization 2, pretty solid choices. I'm gonna go with the earrings. I really tried not to get any extra customized products in this grouping, but really great choices. Moving on to customization choice 3, here's what's offered. They have this cider vinegar scalp detox, which sounds really nice. They have this lash enhancing serum, which I could really use, but I'm probably gonna pass for now. A beautiful Coach headband. I almost picked this up. I just think it's beautiful. I love wearing these thick, cozy headbands and beanies as it gets cold here in Northern California. But I decided to pass because I have a lot of beanies and similar products already. There's this Malin and Goat's Peppermint Body Scrub. So I love the body wash and hand wash that I picked up from this line previously in one of the other seasons this year, but I think I'm going to pass on this scrub, although that does sound really, really nice. There's this beautiful eyeshadow palette, which I do not need, but really pretty colors. Mystery Choice is still available. And the item that I did select here is the Way leave-in conditioner. I always try to pick up leave-in conditioners if they offer them because my hair definitely needs it. My eldest daughter has really, really long hair, and my youngest one has really, really curly hair. So we all can use leave-in conditioners, so I am happy to pick this one up. Moving on to the next set of customization, we have some faded under eye masks, which are always really luxurious to try out. One item that I did add to my selections here is this By Rosie J Dulce Travel Spray. Please let me know. This is an item that I really want your feedback. I don't know anything about this line or this fragrance. I love fragrances though, and I really love trying out new ones. So that's why I selected this. Let me know if you have anything to say about this, whether or not I should go for it. I'm really on the fence with this one. There's this beautiful apron. Again, I don't really cook much, so I don't really use aprons, but really solid choice. There's a Party Trick 1-year party planning membership, which sounds interesting. There's the This Works Deep Sleep Overnight Cleanser. They've collaborated with this brand before, and I really love their mists, their lavender scented things, so that sounds really pretty. There's a yoga subscription, the Mystery Choice. It's kind of fun Glam Squad credit, where I think they have places where you can go to get glammed up, blowouts, makeup, things like that. So there's a $30 credit here, which is really great value. And the other item that I selected here is the Slip Scrunchies. So I really like Slip Scrunchies. I think they're just really pretty, good for your hair. I could not pass up on these beautiful holiday colors, so I decided to pick that up as well. So for this set of customization, I did get one extra product beyond my selection. So there's a slight upcharge, but I'm happy about it. All right, moving on to the next set of choices. The first is this Haps Candlewick Trimmer. I already own a candlewick trimmer, but if you don't, you definitely should to keep your wicks really nice and so they burn cleanly. There's the Aerosols Faux Fur Earmuffs, really cute. Probably not going to use it, so I'm going to pass. There is this probiotic mask, which sounds really nice. There's the Playground Love Sesh Personal Lubricant, which I don't know anything about, but I'm going to pass on. And then they have another one that's similar called Date Night, as you can see here. There's a really nourishing hand cream, which I always have my eye on, any kind of hand cream, but I'm going to pass because you can only use so much hand cream, I'll say, and I do have a stockpile. The item that I picked up here was the insert name here, hair pin pack. So honestly, I couldn't even really see what these pins look like, but I didn't really like anything in this section for customization, so I decided to go with the hair clips. I mean, you kind of can't go wrong with that. And then there's a mystery choice here as well. One last bit here that I forgot to mention was from Bobble Bar. So they did offer this Bobble Bar kit. I know I've seen this in previous boxes. Really cute kit. It just seems pretty small. I mean, honestly, everyone's into friendship bracelets these days, so we have a ton of friendship bracelet making stuff already. So I'm going to pass on this, but it's a really cute little set. All right, moving on to the last set of customization. So the first thing offered here is this retinol serum. I use retinoid products, as I might have talked about before, so I'm not going to pick up another one here. A hanky panky wash and wear bags, which are super cute for travel. There's this beautiful double layered necklace from Marilyn Schiff. I would normally pick this up in a heartbeat, but I do wear my fine jewelry necklaces every single day, 24/7, as I talked about before. So I don't really need to add any more costume jewelry necklaces, at least for now. So I'm going to pass on this, but that's a beautiful set. And then there's this really cute leash and potty pal combo with puppuccinos on it, which is super, super cute. We don't have a dog now, so I'm going to pass, but that's really cute. The item that I did pick up here is a London Town Frosted Berries Nail Lacquer Duo. I've talked about this in my add-ons video. I have tried this line before from London Town in terms of their nail products, and I really like them. I think they're just beautiful. They wear pretty well. Excellent price points. So I just love this gorgeous holiday colors here. This kind of frosted white color and a beautiful red. So I'm going to be wearing this for sure in future videos, so stay tuned. And then they do have this Celestial Diamond Brightening Essence, which sounds pretty nice as well and interesting. There's a mystery choice available here too. All right, so I think that does it for all the customization options. There, as usual, are subscribe and save options, which I try not to do because I hate having running subscriptions going if possible. And then the Boost products we have here, just none of them really caught my eye, and I don't personally think that the Boost products are all that great values anyway, so I'm going to pass on those. So I'm going to click submit, I'm going to save this, and that does it. It was a pretty good box, I will say. I'm excited to get this stuff. Clearly, what blew everything out of the water for me was customization 1. I love so many of those products. I wish some of those were offered in the later customization grouping so that I could pick them, but you know, I loved all of them. Let me know what you guys think below. What were your favorites so far that you've previewed from the box? Are there any that you think I should put back? Any that you think I should pick up? Always love your feedback, and as you will see in my unboxing video, I listen to you guys. I definitely changed my choices based on what you guys tell me. So I love this FabFitFun community, and I love interacting with y'all about products that you love and ones that you're excited about. So definitely stay tuned. I'm going to do, as usual, a full unboxing of my FabFitFun 2023 winter box with you guys, including all the add-ons I pick up and these extra customized products too. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that upcoming video. I usually get my boxes pretty early on in the season, so I will do my best to get the video up as soon as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.